No idea.
Just you never know.
They mounted it right outside the server room. Couldn't understand that. So there's even not anything in here either. This is one of my most important rooms.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay. You want to walk these rooms here real quick?
Yep.
Yeah. This is a special.
I mean, I guess we might want to mark like nothing.
Pretty much.
Like, I'm just going to say.
Makes demo easy.
Yeah.
Demo? What demo?
Can't tip.
I mean, it's sprinklered, so.
Yeah.
Well, the sprinkler system's added after the fact.
Yeah.
It was a retrofit. So if you look at the stuff in the sprinkler system, it's all retrofit. Oh, yeah, sorry.
Right.
Can we walk all the way in the back? We're going to need a long look back there.
Oh, wow. It's an L. So this room will need one, but the offices don't.
So we're going to go out the door. We're going to go left or right. And both ways there's a big circle. So go ahead and head right.
All right.
And turn lights on as we need to.
Hey, there's something.
Yeah, we do have an alarm system. And these bells, I already have employees asking for these bells when we take them down. One guy was stick a clock in it. One guy was see me tied it to the alarm clock. I'm going, really? Yeah, I can wake up in the morning. I go, whatever drives your boat.
And there's another pole.
Then we have offices here to the right. And then we'll just kind of follow this around.
Oh, this is nice.
Oh. Let's open these up so you can see them.
There's a smoke detector right here in the middle.
There is one. Hey, wow, cool.
Nothing in here.
Nope.
Smoke.
That's what you take there.
There's a smoke in here.
There is?
Yep.
Yeah.
Wow. This is one of the weird shaped conference.
Yeah, that's where we're at right there.
They do band practice or something in there?
This is the music office, and they keep changing their mind what they do and don't want to do.
Oh, no.
There's no smoke detector in here. This is the new one, the quasi newer area. So saying that loosely, but music departments are special people. Yeah, well, you look at these two offices here, these two rooms.
Okay. Can't miss that.
See, that's why you brought me along as a tour guide.
Yeah.
And there's a closet here.
Just a sprinkler.
And you got a room next door. I think I have a key to that.
Studio C, that's fun.
Well, they changed it. Some of the biscuit eaters. What do they think do that for? All right, I don't have a key to that. But anyway, this room matches. Someone matches that. There may be a maybe a smoke.
Just another office.
They just that's a sound studio. It goes from there all the way to this end here.
Okay.
This is the regular closet.
Nothing in there.
Let's keep staying to the right. This is the kitchen area. And we have a large closet back here. And the kitchen's just straight ahead. And the back hallway just is an exit door out the back.
Okay. Hi.
You guys can see the underbelly of this place. Alright, we'll get to that room in just a minute. We're gonna head down here. I doubt if I have keys to this because these are just storage closets. They store food and stuff in them. I really can't get access to those. Alright, now this room, this is 104. This is heavy electrical panels, roof access in this room. Oh wow, they cleaned it up a lot.
Wow.
So the roof access in the back, and electrical panels are right here.
CD underbelly.
Oh, we haven't got there yet. This is gonna be around the other side. We're gonna go like, oh my gosh, what is this?
Oh yeah, there's roof access, but no ladder.
This is 104.
Yeah.
And this is
You got to climb the shelf to get onto the roof.
I'm not gonna do it.
Oh no, there's the
I
ladder.
don't need to go in there.
you all right?
Yeah, no, I'm fine.
I'm giving you guys time to. We're going kind of fast. I'm just giving you time.
No,
to
no,
make
no,
sure
you're fine. I'm fine.
We're doing good.
This is just a slot closet.
Station.
Nothing there.
Open ceiling.
The location of pole station seems a little bit there.
Yeah, it's kind of sporadic.
Housekeeping.
It's a huge room, and we have toilet paper towel, toilet paper stuff in there, and linens and that kind of stuff.
I mean, really, we're just looking to see where the existing devices are,
Okay, well,
if any.
we're not getting into that room. All right, this is if they got classes in here or not. You do, but you see through the window on both of these. These are just all these classrooms are pretty much exactly the same.
They don't have any detectors in them, do they?
Not unless there's a strobe against the wall here, but
Yeah. We're gonna finish up this loop. We have a room here.
Nothing.
Yep, and we have two bathrooms. We're fine. We have two bathrooms, and then we'll finish up. This door goes to the same room. We have a conference room right here.
yeah, this is where we met the first time. Nothing in here either.
Then we have, just to follow we'll do this and we'll do those two rooms. Facilities, maintenance, security, office space. There's off stair there and three more around the corner. I don't know how to key to this room or not. George, don't give me a key to this room anymore. What did you do? What did I do to upset you so?
Is that open?
It's the same as the other rooms. That's just a bathroom there.
That's what we do
Don't
with
worry
our
about
old
it.
room.
Yeah.
We just walked in the building for the fire alarm. Alright, these two are two offices. And the one next door is basically the same.
All right.
So all we've seen is pulsations and
Pretty
a couple
much.
smoke detectors.
Yeah.
And not any.
It's like Dawn's,
No notification at all.
Dawn's
except
here,
the
so
bells.
we have someone with her,
Yeah.
so I don't want to go in there. Okay, that covers
Basically all of this.
this area right in here. Alright, so next place we'll do Johnson Hall, and then we'll do the classrooms.
Okay.
Alright.